Hello children, I Vandana Shrivastava today going to teach you degrees of comparison. Children, in previous video I have explained you adjective and kinds of adjective. Now I am going to explain you adjective degrees of comparison. Students, adjective can be used to make the comparison between two or more people, things or animal. Means we can use the adjective to make the comparison between people, things, animals. Okay, then there's a 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. What's the positive degree? When we talk of one person or thing, we use the positive degree, or we can say when there is no comparison is made, then we can say it's a positive degree. In positive degree, we only just tell anyone's quality or anything, but we do not make any comparison. Okay, we just tell the quality of that person, things or animal. Like here, Rohan is the tall boy. The students, as you can see here, tall is an adjective, and here is just tell the quality of Rohan. Okay, as you know, adjective describe the noun. Then here tall word means adjective just tell about the Rohan. Here there's not made any comparison. This garden is beautiful, and here simply this beautiful describe the garden. That garden is very beautiful. He is an intelligent boy. Here intelligent is an adjective and it's only describe the boy. It tell us about the boy, that the boy is intelligent. Means in all these sentences we can see that their adjectives only tell the quality of the place and the any person, like Rohan and the boy. There's not made any comparison. These type of sentences are known as in this type of sentences we can say there's a positive degree, because there's not made any comparison. Student, in positive degree we use like as, adjective plus as, or so, adjective and as. This is also known as positive degree. Okay, these are used to make the comparison of similarity and similarities of people, animals or things. Like we can say, I'm not so old as you are. He is as intelligent as his father. Here the comparisons are made between the two persons, like he is as intelligent as his father. Here there's a comparison between the quality of that two person. There's a with the similarities of these two persons. Next one is the comparative degree. When we compare two people or things, we use the comparative degrees. Means students, when there's a comparison between the two people, two things or two animals, then it's known as the comparative degree. Like Saif is taller than Rohan. There's a comparison between two people, Saif and Rohan. And who is taller? Saif is taller. Malti's garden is more beautiful than my garden. There's a comparison between the garden, between the Malti's garden and my garden. Okay. Pawan is more intelligent than Piyush. There's a comparison between two people, Pawan and Piyush. And who is more intelligent? Pawan is more intelligent. It means when we do comparison between two people or thing, then it's a comparative degree. Student, as you can notice here, there is a common word than. It means in comparative degree we use than word after adjective. Remember it, after adjective we use than. Okay, and we make the comparison between two people or thing. Next one is superlative degree. When we compare three or more people or things, we use the superlative degree. It means when we make the compare more than two people, we can say, then it's the comparative degree. More than two people or thing, then it's the comparative degree. Like Riaz is the tallest boy in the class. Children, as you know, in the class there's more children. It may be 30, 40, 25, 35. Then it means here we make the comparison Riaz between the whole class, not only with only one person, with the whole class. It means how many students are there in the class. To withhold the students, there's a comparison. There's make a comparison between Riaz. Then who is the tallest boy in the class? Then Riaz. Susan's garden is the most beautiful garden in the colony. Here we make the comparison between the Susan's garden and the garden in the colony. Jimmy is the most intelligent child in his family, and there's a lots of children in the family, and Jimmy is most intelligent. Okay, there's a make the comparison between the more than two. Then it means students in positive degree. When there's not make any comparison, we do not make any comparison in the positive degree. We just tell anyone's quality. In comparative degree, when we compare two people or things. In superlative degree, when we compare three or more than two, we can say. Students, as you can see here, there's a common word, the. It means students between the before the adjective we use the in superlative degree. In comparative degree we use than after adjective, and in superlative degree we use the before the adjective. Okay, please remember it. In superlative degree you use the. Sorry students, correct it. There should be so. Adjective, as. I hope students till here you have understood.